So in the first video I actually seeing over here, okay, let me do this. I guess you can see that. So in this first video actually seeing over here, I talked about how I actually made about $945 in 8 months for free online. So let me just try to calculate how much is this money in kwacha. So 9 to ZMW, let's try to find out how much this is. So as you can see, this amount is actually like 15,000 kwacha. So in this video I'm going to show you how I actually made this 945 dollars, which is about 16,000 in Zambian kwacha. So I actually made this money through affiliate marketing. I know you've heard about affiliate marketing and I'm sure you've tried it and it has not worked for you. Well, I myself am in Zambian and I've tried it and it has worked for me. So if it has worked for me, what can prevent it from working for you? Okay, and I've made a lot of videos about affiliate marketing in Zambia, and some of you have watched them, some of you have not watched them, and for some of you who have watched them, you have still contacted me like asking for help how to go about it, and probably I might not have like had the time to help you out with everything. So this is why I've decided to make this video, because I really need to help a lot of you people be able to make money online. So here is what's going to happen. Like from now on, I want to start providing like one-on-one mentorships, helping you with everything I know. So so as you might have noticed, so what you can do right now, like if you're really interested in making money online through affiliate marketing, I'm going to be offering one-on-one mentorships. So this is whereby you contact me, schedule up your WhatsApp video call or a Zoom call or any type of call or Google Meet, and I get to explain to you, and not only explaining, even show you exactly what I did and how you can actually do it and everything else you'd like to know. Okay, so for this I am not going to be doing it for free. I am going to charging, of course, and I'm going to be charging a 200 kwacha. I know it sounds like a lot, and why am I charging? Why can't I just teach you for free? Okay, why? Well, the reason I'm charging this is because I'm going to be doing it on one-on-one. It's not like I'll be teaching many people, of which I can do for free. So for this, it's actually another way of actually supporting your own content creators in Zambia. If you do not know, like us, all Zambian creators are not making money from Zambian views. So if you know someone who's monetized on YouTube, they are not making any money on someone from Zambia, which is their videos. So this is another great opportunity of helping other content creators. So by paying me a 200 kwacha, I'll be able to help you with everything you need to know in affiliate marketing. I'll show you exactly what I did, everything you need to know, and after learning from me, you'll be able to make your first affiliate marketing sale and you're going to thank me. Okay, so how do you begin, and can you trust me? Well, you don't have to trust me. Everything else you need to know is on my YouTube channels. You can see all the proofs on my YouTube channel, probably on my Instagram account as well. Yeah, so all you have to do is hit me up, send me a message on WhatsApp, and I'll get back to you and I'll help you from there. So my contact details are in the description, and my number is 0977 77 0202. Yeah, so this is it about today's video. If you learned something from it, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.